Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bilt Rewards to pay rent with credit card step by step clearly. Begin by opening your smartphone or computer. Next, download and install the Bilt Rewards app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you don't have one. Log into your account using your registered email and password. On the home screen, look for the Pay Rent option and tap on it. You will now see a list of payment methods. Select Add Credit Card to link your credit card. Enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Make sure to enter your billing address associated with the credit card. After entering all the details, review them for accuracy. Tap on Save or Add Card to link your credit card. You may need to verify your card through a temporary authorization charge. Return to the Pay Rent section once your card is verified. Choose the rental payment amount you wish to make. Select your linked credit card as the payment method. Review the payment details carefully before finalizing. Once confirmed, tap on Pay Now to process the payment. You will receive a confirmation notification once your payment is successful. Keep an eye on your email for a receipt of your transaction. You have now successfully connected Bilt Rewards to pay your rent using a credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.